Good morning, 8:26 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm T-Speaker222 with Dogecoin and you, and I want to talk about the ADA Cardano in this update. As far as it goes compared to some of the other ones we watch consistently in this group, ADA Cardano, to me, is lagging behind just a little bit. It's had a 5% pump. It's made this rounding bottom. We've got a lot of stuff to talk about as far as where this can go, where this can end up. But at the end of the day, we still have a lot of parts of these patterns. We're in a bear market bounce right now. Nothing more, nothing less. Some things have risen more. Some things have gotten news that you can't predict. But in the end, we're going to have a 100 basis point rate hike on the 26th, in my opinion. So that's only, what, 6 days away now, as it is the... What is the date today? I have no idea. Oh, July 20th right now. So we're going to take a look at ADA and focus specifically on ADA in this update. So ADA Cardano aims for 70 cents after bullish breakout. Cardano appears to be gaining bullish momentum after overcoming a significant supply wall. Technical indicators suggest that as long as ADA continues trading above 50 cents, it may have the potential to advance further. Cardano has breached a critical area of resistance, potentially signaling the beginning of a new uptrend. ADA has seen its price increase by nearly 23% over the past 3 days after enduring a 3-month-long consolidation period. The sudden upswing was triggered shortly after Cardano sliced through the 45-cent resistance level. Further buying pressure could push ADA towards higher highs as the most significant supply barrier looks to have been breached. Cardano appears to have broken out of a descending triangle on its 12-hour chart. This technical formation anticipates that ADA could rise as much as 51% after overcoming the 45-cent resistance level. If validated, the formation indicates an upside target of 70 cents. However, Cardano needs to hold above the 50-cent support level to have a chance of printing higher highs. Failing to stay above such a crucial price point could be perceived as a sign of weakness, leading to a spike in profit taking. If this were to happen, ADA could drop to 45 cents or even go as low as 38 cents. The upward price action seen recently coincides with the rally Ethereum has experienced over the past few days. After weeks of sluggish price action, other layer 1 networks like Solana, Avalanche, Phantom, and Near have also increased in market value as the crypto market starts to show signs of life. It remains to be seen whether the overarching macroeconomic weakness that has weighed on the risk on assets in recent months will continue to affect the crypto market going forward. So that is what I was looking at with Cardano. Now let's look at the charts, because it's very important to keep the news, what everybody's thinking, in perspective. And now if we go into the ADA Cardano, let's take a look at the overall grand scale and grand scheme of things here. I know I reset it, so we get to draw this out together. So if we take this out in the... I would like to do this in the immediate time frame, in the immediate short term, so everybody knows if you're dealing with Cardano, how do we know if this maintains bullish? We're going to have to maintain... This is this first uptrend. We've actually started a second, even more drastic uptrend from here. So now you can find your layers. If we have to come down, your first layer of support would be about 51,617, actually about 57.71. And then you can come down here to about 47 cents if this breaks down. So now that we've established where our uptrends are going, now I'd like to establish the shortest part of this pattern. And then I'm going to let you guys go, because I wanted you guys to hear about ADA Cardano for a little bit, since we haven't talked about it a ton. I mean, we talk about it, but when you're talking about long hold positions, I'm still anticipating the market after this bear market rally, which are very common, to continue its downward momentum. But, you know, you never can tell. So we like to cover this each and every day so we can stand the mark. So this is what we're looking at. That's your kind of pattern. You're in a bear flag. Got downtrending resistance. I could have actually come from here, but I wanted to show you where this is trying to push out to at about 58 cents. And then we got the two noticeable uptrends that we're trying to hold. If you don't hold the first uptrend at about 50.775, you come down to about 48 cents. And if you don't hold that, you come back down to the bottom of the support level at 40 cents. You break that, then it's back down to where we came from. Make sure that like button. I'll be back in a little bit. But I do appreciate doing these, and I appreciate everybody who stuck around.